Assalamualaikum. Just give me a moment, eh? I am going to call the rest. Hello. Um, who else is not here? Just a moment, yeah.
You're not mute. You're not mute.
Just one moment,
And you
yeah.
didn't even use it.
Okay. Assalamualaikum, everyone. We are starting with a new topic so that you get the. What is this? Sorry. I going to call a parent. Who did I call? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Okay. So, yeah, we start, eh? Where is it? Okay. This is called area and perimeter, eh? So, this is actually a very easy topic. So, what is the meaning of area? You all know. First of all, okay, we ask lah, Mr. Putra, what's the unit for area and what's the unit for perimeter? Putra, you know, Putra. What's the unit used for area? What's the unit for perimeter? Shafia, come turn on your video, come. Neris also. What happened, Putra? Putra disappeared. Okay, never mind. Okay, down here now. Perimeter is, okay, Putra is coming in again. Come, Neris, turn on your video, Neris. Now, perimeter is the outside part. Okay, the outside part, eh? The outline of any shape is the perimeter. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. So how do you know what it is? Okay, I'm just going through very basic. For some of you, this is very easy, yeah, but for you to understand, this is 7 cm plus 4 cm plus 7 cm plus 4. Why plus 4? Because the rectangle, both the breadth are the same. Both the length are the same. So you can write now 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, you can add like that equals to 22 cm. If they show you now square, all the sides are the same. Sometimes they can do like that. All the sides are the same. They indicate like that. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or you can also do another way. There's 6 down here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can times 4. Or you want to have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 also can. You get 24. Okay, this is very simple. This is perimeter. Perimeter means the outside. The outside is the perimeter. The outermost, no. If let's say I have something like this, let's say I have something like that. This figure got a triangle and got a square. And they ask you to find the perimeter of this figure. You know the perimeter, you cannot include this one. Don't include this one. The perimeter is only the outside down here, only the outside. The inside part cannot use. Inside part cannot use. Okay, you don't count it as part of perimeter. Okay, anyway, we're going to start now and you're going to try. Okay, I know it's very easy. Maybe for Putra, it's very easy for you. Sometimes I wonder whether you need or no need, but let us see. Let's see. Okay, you try. They want you now to find the breadth, the length. They don't know what's the length. The perimeter, this plus this plus this plus this is 32. Can you find? Neris, can you try? So, where are you, Neris? You're outside, Neris. Are you outside your house? Okay, you try now. Okay, perimeter is here. They are not asking you to find perimeter. They're asking you to find the length. The length is the longer part of the rectangle. So perimeter is 32. What is the length down here? Please send your answers, please. Amara, where is she? Who else other than this? Anybody. Can find? Putra can do that, Putra. Easy for you, right, Putra? So for you, if it's easy, you do try to do mentally lah. If it's easy, you want to make it challenging myself, you do it mentally. Aduh, Putra, you careless lah, Putra. How come you get like that? You go and find area. Diorang don't ask you to find area. They find you, ask you to find length. Length, where is length? I'm gonna color it in red lah. This one down here, they don't know this one. They want to find this one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Remember, this red plus this one plus this one plus this one is 32. So what is the length? What is the length? Come on, come on. So Putra, although you may know, sometimes you make careless mistake diet lah. 160 cm is about your height, you know. You know. Let us see. Let us see. Aduh, Putra, that means you don't know. Maybe you think you know, but you don't know. Okay, never mind, no problem. Okay, how to find boys and girls? Anyone knows not? Shafia, do you know Shafia? Neris, do you know? You tell me, tell us how to do. Tell us how to do. Teach us, teach us. How do you do? How do you do? Tell us, tell us. Or Neris, do you know how to do this? Okay, we write down what we know. This down here we know is 5. So this one must be 5 also.
Yeah, the top is 11.
11, say 11. Okay, let us see. So we take perimeter. Perimeter, Neris, is the outline in yellow here. We minus the 5, we minus the 5. So let's say 32 minus 5 plus 5 is 10. So you minus 10. What do you get? You get 22. What is 22? 22 is for one length and 2 lengths. 22 is for 2 lengths. So down here, 2 lengths is 22. You want to find one length. You must divide by 2. You must divide by 2. Okay, so you get 11. You're not sure? Down here, you get 11 down here. See? You divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2 again, you get another 1. Okay? Can see not? Auntie Mary Grace, you disappear here. Okay, now. So you get it, eh? You're supposed to take this minus this 2. Then your balance answer 22 is for these two red lines. You divide by 2 lah. Okay, Putra, you can do it? Putra, you understand? Can, Putra? You can do this, Putra. Once you find it like this, so easy. And like Shafia now, she said, this son, like, kacang lah, give me something difficult, Shafia is saying. I think so lah, Shafia. I think so. But again, we are not so sure. Okay, can you try now the question 3? Question 3. I want you to find the breadth. Same thing, same. You can do this, Okay, someone has given an answer. Let us see. Is it Mr. Putra or Neris? Neris. It's not Neris. Well done, Putra. Can you do this mentally? Can do mentally, you think? You try. You do. Okay, maybe at the beginning you use pen, paper. Once you find it very easy, try to do mentally. Once you find it very easy. Now, not yet now. What about Husna Shafia? Don't turn off your video, Husna Shafia. Okay, can we do the next one? Where is Neris? Neris, where are you, Neris? I am outside. Okay. If you're outside, then you try to follow this lah. Okay, come. Shafia, where's your video, Shafia? Oh, Shafia send me photo. Okay, so your answer is what? 3, is it? Your answer is 3. So how do you guess? You tell 9 plus 9, then what plus what? Okay, so we do step by step. We step by step. Those who understand can do question 4. If not, I'll just explain. Down here is 9. This one must be 9 also lah. This one we don't know. 24 minus 9 minus 9. So what do you get? You get 6. Then 6 divided by 2. Yes. Good. 6 divided by 2. Why divide by 2? There's 2 breaths. So you get 3. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Okay, well, let's try the next one now. Okay, the next one, which is question number 4. Very easy, very easy. Don't say out the answer. You send me the answer. Send me the answer because the rest, I don't want the rest to not get the joy of solving.
Teacher, do question right.
Question 4. Question 4, then you finish, you do question 5. Okay, let's see. Cannot be. Cannot be the Putra. You try, if that is the answer, you try to add a 4 of them. What's your answer? You get 20? You don't get 20. Okay, Shafia, let's see, Shafia. Shafia, okay. So, all right, correct, Shafia. So, down here you have 1 length. Square, all the lengths are the same. So, 2 lengths, 3 lengths, 4 lengths. So 4 divided by, and 20 divided by 4. So what's the answer, Neris? What's the answer? You want to write something? What's the answer, Neris? So you have 4 lengths equals to 20. So 20 divided by 4 lah, to find 1 length. Okay, equals to 5. You need to know this. You need to understand there's 1 length here, 2 lengths, 3 lengths, 4 lengths. 4 lengths equals to 20. Okay. Then we need to have another session with you lah. That means I've got to make another session with you, Auntie Mary Grace. Okay, but you must try to follow. For now, you try to follow. Perimeter is the outside part. Now this one I open up. Let us see lah. Down here, we show down here. This is now perimeter. Where is perimeter? Is the outside part down here. Of what? Of the square. So I'm going to open up 1. You see 1 down here, right? So I remove the 1 part here. I remove this other one. I put it here. 2. I remove this one. 3. And the last one, 4. I write it here. These are 4 lengths. The 4 lengths is equal to 20 cm. You want to find one of these 2. You want to find 1 length. You must take 20 divided by 4. Why divide by 4? Because there's 4 of them. So now you want to find 1. You got to divide by 4. You get 5. How do you get 5? Now 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, we move on first. If not, then I have to arrange for separate lessons. If let's see you still don't know, then we have to try the next one. This one you all know how to do. Inshallah. Okay, this should be easy. Yeah, question 5. What did you say, sorry? Oh, you said already. Oh, very fast, this girl. Congratulations, Putra. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Okay, you gotta wait for a while, Putra. While you wait, you try that. I give you 13 times table. 13 table, let's say 13 times 11. You take 13 times 10 first, and then plus 13. Okay. So what is 13 times 11, Putra? Mentally, mentally. Well done, well done. That's not the answer for this question. That's the answer for the mental sum I'm giving Putra. Okay, so now we are waiting for Miss Neris and Miss Shafia. Down here, they say this plus this plus this plus this. So Shafia is doing maybe a long way. She's finding what plus what plus what plus what equal 36. Don't do that way lah. You see, there's one length, two lengths, three lengths, four lengths. Four lengths is how much? It's 36. What is one length? One length is how much? You divide now 36 divided by 4. Ask yourself, what times 4 equals to 36? You get 9. This side is 9. 9. 9. 9. You don't believe 9 times 4 is 36. Okay? 9 times 9. And sorry, 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, we are moving on. We try now the next one. Okay, hold on. Can you try now? These two. Okay, so area. Okay, area. We go perimeter and area. This down here on the outside is the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Maris, what is the perimeter? You can measure the perimeter. Oh, this is 23 cm plus 10 cm plus 23 cm plus 10 cm. That is the perimeter. I can draw the perimeter on the outside. That's the perimeter. This is the perimeter. Is the outline. Outline means what? Outline, Perimeter means outline. Means the line on the outside. That's the perimeter. Area is the space on the inside. This is area, the space on the inside. This is area. The space on the inside. So how to find space on the inside? If this one is 5 cm, sun 3 cm, the area is 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals to 15. The area is 15 square cm. Why square cm? We calculate area using squares. Say using square? Yes, we use square. Like that, we count how many squares are there. Okay, but I didn't draw properly lah. You will have to count. You will get 15. Down here, I didn't draw properly. Let's say now this is really 15. It has to be something like that lah. From here to here. Let's say something like that. And then down here. Then you can count. Oh, 1, 2, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But you don't need to count. You just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times 3. You get 15. That's the area. Area is inside. Perimeter is outside. Area is inside, perimeter is outside. You got to remember that. And for perimeter, you measure in cm. You see cm? But area, you have a small 2 down here. This small 2 means square. This small 2 down here means square. What square? This square lah. This square. All these squares. Why you use square? You want to cover the space up. Okay? All right, we try, We try. Can you try now? Question 1A and B. 1A and B. We got an answer from 1% or 2%? Wow, Allahu Akbar. So champion sudah masuk lah. Correct, well done. No, not well done. Second one wrong lah, Putra. Second one you going find perimeter. Kenapa lah second one you find perimeter? Husna Shafia, first one correct. Okay, so Naris, how to find the area, the first one? First one take 12 times 6. Now correct, Putra. 12 times 6, you times. Shafia, same thing also. Both of you find perimeter. Why you find the perimeter of the square? Don't find perimeter of the square, Shafia. Putra also do the same thing. Be careful, be careful. That means you are in a habit of finding perimeter. So, Miss Neris, this is 12 cm. This is 6 cm. You want to find how many squares there are on the inside? 12 times 6. 2 times 6, 12. 1 times 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 72 square cm. You must remember to put this, Neris. The small 2 must be there. If this small 2 is not there, that means it's not square. Let's say now, okay, so Shafia, what about the next one, Shafia? Next one also, Neris. How to find this is 9. Don't take 9 times 4, that is perimeter. You see, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. This one is perimeter lah. The one outside. Area means the EC on the inside, on the inside. How to get the inside? Take length times breadth. Down here, 12 times 6. This one, 9 times 9. Shafia, 9 times 9, 9 times 4 lah, Shafia. Cik 9 times 9. This is the length is 9. The breadth is also 9. 9 times 9 is how much? 81. Be careful. Shafia, you get it not, Shafia? You understand? Shafia? Yeah? Okay. So, Neris, I hope you get it. So, Neris, to find the area is length times breadth. Or down here, because the length and breadth is the same, is 9 times 9. Don't take 9 times 4. 9 times 4, you're finding the perimeter. This one don't take 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6. That's perimeter. Perimeter is on the outside. So just like, for example, I'm now going to do something. Shafia, hold on. Hold on, Shafia. No, this. Sorry, Shafia. This is now Shafia's hair. Can see, Shafia's hair. Can see that I pull from under the scarf, Okay, under the tudung. Now can you see not this thing? I can use a ruler around here. You see, I can use a ruler to measure both Neris and Shafia's hair. Neris, in the darkness, your hair very long, Neris. Okay, now down here, see? You can see now. I use cm. Right? See, cm to measure. You can see, 1 cm to. I have to use cm. But you want to find, let's say, square. I draw a square in my face. I draw. Should I draw? Yeah, draw. Aduh. Don't draw. Okay, let's say I draw on the board down here. I cannot measure the area by using like that. How do I measure like that? I must draw square because it's a space. Just like now, I make roti prata. Roti prata, you know the prata man. And then he put out the prata is like that, right? The first time before he fold. How to calculate the area? You only can count by squares, Squares? Yes, you only can count area, count by squares. You see, what about the outside part? Outside part, if you measure the outside down here, this is the perimeter. Let's say now I take Neris' hair. Neris, you don't mind, Neris? Neris, let me take your hair. Turn on your video. I need to take your hair. See, don't know, ada kutu tak? Okay, but anyway, Neris, see, down here now, I can put, can you see that? I can use your hair to measure the length of this prata outline. That's what it is. Okay. Putra, sorry, if I use your hair, it's a very short. I don't know how many times I'm going to use your hair. Shafia's one. Shafia, you got short hair or long hair? Cannot tell. Sorry. Cannot tell. It's a secret. Shh. Okay, come Mary. So this one, I can use your hair. Sorry? Botak. Okay. On the outside now, that is perimeter. If you have to put square, this is area. And remember, area, you must use a small 2 down here. You either measure in meter square or cm square. Okay, but the one outside is just cm. Okay, remember that, huh? Okay, Neris, you must remember that, okay? Okay. Number 2. We try number 2. And if you finish number 2, you can do number 3. Let us see now. Wow, how come you get that? Let me see. Um, cannot be lah. Okay, cannot be lah. Okay, so let's see. Putra, you say the answer is 33, yeah? 33 down here. This one 6. Let us try lah. 33 times 6. That's the area, right? Times 6. How much you get? 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 6, 18 plus 1, 19. 198 lah. Terlajak lah. Too big, too big. So how to find? Well, this is not how to find. Just now you got to times to get the area. Now you want to find one side, you got to divide. How to divide? 78 divide by 6. Take the area, divide by 1 on the side. You want to find the length, divide by breadth. You want to find the breadth, divide by length. So you divide. 6 divided by 6 is 1. You minus 7 by 6 is 1. Bring down the 8. 18. 18 divided by 6 is 30. 13 lah. This is 13. Okay, let us try. Once you write 13, you try see whether does it work or not. Okay, now I'm gonna see whether it works. Whether 13 is the answer. So we can try. You see, there is the area 78. You want to find one side, you divide by 6. You divide by one side, you can get that one. So how? Let's try. Let's see how is it. So now take 13 times 6. That's the way to check what. Length times breadth equals to area. Length 13 times breadth 6 equals to 78. 3 times 6, 18. 1 times 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 78. Putra, can Putra? You're looking something else, Putra. You're looking something. You look above the screen of the computer. See what is saying? I'm watching TV. Hey, don't watch TV now. Watch this one. I know maybe using the hair of Shafia and Neris might not be so interesting to cartoons, whatever lah. Okay, come, we try the next one. Come on, we try question number 3. Same thing. You got the rectangle here. You want to find one side. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You have to believe in yourself. You can do this. Now, while others are watching TV, you are working. You know that's very good. Inshallah, Allah will bless you with mastery of mathematics and more knowledge. Well done. So, Naris, you got to ask yourself, what times 8 equals to 56? What times 8 equals to 56? Because you want to find areas, length times breadth. So, you must know your timetable. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Then 24. Then 32, 40, 48, 56. 7. 8 times 7, 56. Now, how to get this one? You have one side only. You got the area down here. Yes, well done. Well done. So 56 divided by 8, you get 7. Good. So remember, this means what? This means for area, remember, area means is squares, not inside. When you say 56 cm square cm, it means inside here got 56 squares, you know. That's what it means. When you see why we use square, why we don't use circle? Well, circle, if you imagine you draw a circle. Circle you draw, how to inside you got space, you know, down here got space. Down here you cannot cover properly. Can see not? In between there's space, you know. So square is very good. You cover everything. That's why your flooring in your home, is it marble, square tiles or circle tiles? Most of the time it's square or rectangle. Why? It covers up everything. Imagine now you use your tiles. You know what's tiles not? Your flooring, your floor at home. If you use circle tiles, it becomes like that. Down here now will have space down here, in between down here. Will have space, you know. So we try the next one, we try. You try the next one. The area is 64, but they don't give you anything. Remember, for area of square, for square, both the length and breadth are the same. So you try. What is the answer? Not true, Mr. Kashril. Let us see whether your answer is correct. Again, you divide by 4. Don't divide by 4. We didn't ask you to find perimeter.
Sorry.
You try again. You try again. What about Miss Shafia? Shafia, why you show poster yourself? You're still. Oh, I thought you were going up the stairs. I thought the wire was going up staircase or something like that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Neris. What times what equals to 64? Same number. What times what equals to 64? What times what is a 64? What is it? You can get that. Come on, you can get it. You can write down. If you don't know, write down your timetable lah. Okay, this is maybe the beginning. You can do like that. 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. No. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8. Ding ding. 8 times 8 is 64. You have just found your answer. Congratulations. 8 times 8 is 64. So you can write it down if you want to, or you calculate in your mind. Start with low to high, You can guess lah. Sometimes you can guess. In this case, but later on, when you are at a higher level, I will show you how to find without guessing. So those who get 16, who say 16, you know what you have done. You got confused. Okay, why you get confused? Okay, you get confused. You say you remember Neri's hair. Okay, we took Neri's hair. Now we make a square of here. We took her hair. Tampal her hair. Tampal hair. Tampal hair. Now, if let's say the perimeter is 64, then you want to find one side of the square, then you divide by 4. You get 16. This is perimeter 16. 16. If they give you perimeter, but they did not give you perimeter. They did not give you 64 cm. You look carefully. They did not give you 64 cm. You see there's 64. Look carefully. There is a small 2 down here. This means it's square cm. Say what? What is square cm? Well, square cm means there are 64 squares here. 64 squares. How to draw 64 squares? Well, I'll show you how to draw 64 squares. I can tell you there are now there are 16 squares. 64 squares, there are 64 squares. Now there are 64 squares, you see. You want to find how many squares down here, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. 8 times 8, 64. Remember, look up down here. If you see like that, the small 2 means this is area. Inside. Area is inside. If you see cm, outside. Okay. We try the next one. Oh, First one correct, Mr. Putra. A is correct. Remember, there's a small 2 here. This is area. What times 8 equals to 48? What times 8, 48? You got to find out now. What times 8 equals to 48? You can find the side over there. Well done, Chapia. Come there is. What times 8 equals to 48? 8 times what equals to 48? 8 times what equals to 48? You try. The rest, continue come with B. With B. There is still a question B down here. Yes. There's a part B. Cannot be lah. How come you write like that, Mr. Putra? Does it make sense? 8 plus 8 already 16. How come your perimeter 12? It's the perimeter kontot. Kontot means in Piramli movie they say pendek. Last time when I was young, they used to call people katik. I do not know whether that's Malay language, not katik. Katik means pendek. There's also one star during Piramli's time. It's called Ibrahim Pendek. Why pendek? Because pendek means short lah. Pendek means short. Tak boleh lah Putra. Hui, Syafia, apa ini banyak sangat. Hello. Okay, come. Okay, come Neris. This is for you. 8 times 6 equals to 48. How to find the perimeter? Very easy. Your friends have forgotten. This is 8. This one also 8 lah. This one 6. This one 6 lah. So find the perimeter. What's the perimeter? 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. Okay, you don't believe? 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. 28 what? If anyone write 28 cm, square cm is wrong, because this is for area. They want you to find perimeter. Perimeter is in cm. So, no square. I hope you're okay. Okay, so you can see down here now, Neris, you just need to find 8 times what equals to 48. If you don't know, you reverse. 48 divided by 8. But you still need to find out 8 times what equals 48. Then perimeter, you add 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. Okay? You must master all this, because as you go the higher levels, it's no longer this simple. Okay? This type of test, they give you in other countries, yes. For PSLE lah. For PSLE primary 6, they give you this type of test. In fact, some countries, I was explaining to some classes, they don't have this type of answers now. They have MCQ. You know MCQ? Answer 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right until before they go university, it's all MCQ. You don't need to do problem sum. Even if you have problem sum, they give you answer as MCQ. Okay, that one you don't learn much lah. Okay. Some of the students say it's so unfair. We wish we have MCQ all the way. Then you won't learn how to write. You won't learn how to think in a deep way. So we try now. So this is a garden. Neris, next time you buy a big house, Neris, bungalow and all, you are planning to have a garden. You see, but I do not know how to calculate area. That's why you have to master this. You want to find the perimeter. See, I want to do a fence around my garden. See, how much must I pay? You must first of all know how much wood you need. If you are using a wooden fence, you must calculate the perimeter. See, I don't know how to calculate perimeter lah. That's why you must learn now. This is life skill. You have to know this. You have just also like your mom or dad, they want to do renovation at home. They want to change the tiles. They need to know the perimeter of the floor. Why? They need to know how many tiles to buy. You don't know how to calculate perimeter, how you going to say, never mind, I let the contractor do. The contractor can tipu you. At least you know, oh, this one, how many tiles you need. So that's why we got to be smart. We got to know all this. You need to know all this. Like, let's say now you look at Shafia. Okay, let us look at Shafia. Shafia, don't turn off video. You look behind her head. All these square things. You know, these are tiles, you know. You know, the contractor, in order to do the tiles, they need to know how many tiles to buy. How to find out? You need to find the area of the wall and find each tile, then you divide. You say, no, I don't want to learn all that. In the end, next time, your house, you're going to have tiles, right? Say, I don't care, I will pay $1 million also, I don't care. They wasted, people can tipu you. That's why you need to know how to find area, perimeter, all this. Okay, can you try this, please? Shafia, where are you looking at, Shafia? Don't look around. There's no momok there. Shafia, there's no momok. Shafia, look here, look here. Now do this work. How come you're looking around? Huh? Son looking there. I see her. Very frightening, Shafia. She's looking at the back. Looking in front. Hey, like a bird, like an owl, this girl. Come on, Shafia. Aduh. Oh, there's someone. Oh. She put us into like a washing machine. We're going around and round. Come. Come, Neris. Why are you showing the light bulb? Sakit mata lah. Come. Try this, Neris. Neris, they are giving you now. The area is 100 square meters. What times what? Same number. What times what equals to 100? Very simple. Neris, what times what equals to 100? Same number. Same number. Square, why same number? Because square, the length is the same. What times what equals to 100, Neris? Let us see. Who is this? Is it Neris? No. Cannot, Mr. Putra. Cannot. Putra just divide by 2. Cannot. Must find what number times what number. Cannot. Hey, come on, you all know lah. Then we say you don't know. Okay, then we do lah 1 times 1, 2 times 2 until you get 100. Fine. What times what equals to 100? Come on, Neris. Neris, are you there, Neris? What is that big tissue? Come. You find out lah. You want to know what number times itself, because this length is a length now here also. Find out what times what equals to 100. Same number. What times what equals 100? You try lah. 1 times 1 cannot lah. 1 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, until you get the answer, you know. So one of you wrote 50 times 50. Tak boleh lah 50 times 50. 50 times 2 is 100. 50 times 50 is 2,500, you know, very big. Tak boleh lah. You must find. Come on, Aris. What times what? The rest of you.
4 times 25.
4 times 25. Hello, this is a... Yeah, but this is a square. A square must be the same, you know. If 4 times 25, one side is 4 cm, the other side 25 cm, or not, very long. It's a very long rectangle. This is not a square. 25 by 4, not a square. We want square. Square means length times breadth are the same. Length and breadth are the same. Come on, you know lah. Come on, you don't know. Neris, you know, Neris. What times what equals to 100? You know. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6. 7.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is it 20 times 5?
20 times 5 is not the same, you see. If you say this one 20, this one 5, a square, both sides are the same. How come you say this one 5, this one 20? 5 times 20 is a rectangle. This one is 5 cm or meters, this one 20. Rectangle lah. You are giving me rectangle. Square, you know square not? Square, all the sides are the same. You must have the same number. What times what? Same number. What times what equals to 100? Come on, boys and girls. Come on. Offer. Shafia, come on. Hey, very simple. You have learned this timetable before. In primary 1. Shafia says. Shafia give the answer now. 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100 lah. Right? 10 times 10 is 100. Well done. And there is 10 times 10 is 100. So now you find the perimeter. Now what's the perimeter? Find the perimeter lah. Come on. Shafia, come. Do it fast, Shafia. Score the goal. Score the goal, Shafia. Say what goal lah? Score the goal and finish the task lah. So Neris, you find the perimeter. You know the perimeter is this. This is the 10, 10, 10, 10. You can find the perimeter, Neris. Come on, Neris. The perimeter is the outside part. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Putra, send your answer, Putra. Shafia, stop looking at the side, Shafia. Do this one, Shafia. Come on, come on, come on. Concentrate, concentrate. We have only another 45 minutes or 43 minutes. Come on, cheer you. I know you are tired lah. Yeah, you see my brothers or sister, my sibling, they can watch TV. It's okay, you do your work. Allah will be happy with you. My wife, she's an ustazah. She says, Allah will give you more knowledge. Benar ya, Bu? Inshallah, inshallah, she says. Inshallah. Anybody? Come on, anybody? Alright, come on lah. You all dah penat ke apa? Penat eh? This is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So what's the answer? 10, 10, 10. Okay lah. It's not 10, 10, 10 eh? When I was young, they used the music 10, 10, 10 means wedding. Or you can take 10 times 4 lah. Why 10 times 4? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 40 meters. Okay, 40 meters here, and area, one side you got it already. Okay, let's try the next one. You gotta try your best to get it. Don't give up. Some of you giving up already lah. How do I know you're giving up? You're doing other things. Once you do other things, say I cannot master it. Don't be like that. You got to believe in yourself. No. You know, Allah asked the angels to bow down to man. Okay? And we men and women lah, men, women, children, and all, we have a very powerful brain. Even the jinns look at us, the jinns also get frightened of us. In fact, the jinns are so frightened. We are afraid of the jinns, right? Actually, they are afraid of us. How we know they are afraid of us? If they are not afraid of us, they will be showing themselves everywhere. We will destroy them. How do we know? How do I know we will destroy them? That's what we do to the lions, the tigers, all the wild animals, even the fish in the sea. We human beings will destroy. We can create weapons. So that's why they're afraid of us. So you use your brain. That's where your power is. Your power is not in your hands. You are not as strong as a tiger or lion. Your brain is the power. So this is an exercise for your brain. Just I don't know my brain to think. Then your brain won't be strong. Come, Neris. Neris, come on, Neris. What are you doing, Neris? I'm making origami. Don't do origami lah. Okay, I'll buy for you some actual things then, for you to not make. What is that you're doing? Sweet wrapper. Sweet wrapper. Okay. Come, the sweet wrapper also you need to learn how to do area and perimeter. You need to know how to measure. Come. Cheer your boys and girls. Come on. Anybody. Anybody. What happened? I see Putra is looking there. She's Shafia. I don't know. Neris is looking at me. Neris, come do this question, Neris. Come on, you can find the length. They tell you the perimeter now. The perimeter, where's the perimeter? The outside part, Neris. We can use your hair to do this, Neris. Down here. This part is the perimeter. How much is the perimeter? Perimeter is 38 meters. The breadth is 7. This side is also 7, right? 7, 7. So you can minus and find out what's the length. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. You all are too tired already, Okay, so this is 38, right? Perimeter is 38. So you must minus 7, 7. 7 and 7 is 14, right? So take 38. You can minus 7, minus 7. Why you minus 7, minus 7? I show you, I draw it again. I draw this thing now. Watch. So imagine now this side down here. Okay. Imagine now. And there is, you see. There is, see. This one is 7. This one is 7. So when you take 38 minus 7 minus 7, what do you have? You minus this one and this one, Aris. Oh. Aduh, sorry. You minus this one. This one. Oh, it's joined. Sorry, I draw again. You must be able to see, what we do when we minus. There's one length, another length. There's one breadth, there's another breadth. So this is 7, this is 7. So Neris, when you minus the 7, one breadth goes away. You minus the other 7, another breadth goes away. So when you get the answer here, this is for 2 lengths. It's for 2 lengths. Can you see? 1 length, 2 lengths. So now here you minus, you get 24. 24 is for 2. Divide by 2, right? Divide by 2. So you get 12. Aduh, why are you eating that, Neris? Don't eat that lah. You're eating paper. Last time when I was young, so I wanted to impress people. I drank kencing even. Now my wife is listening to me. Now I'm in trouble. She says, I drank my own kencing. You see, now I'm in trouble, my wife. Okay, so don't swallow paper and all that. I even drink a little bit of paint. Yeah. But this is not good lah. So this is 12. What is 12? 12 cm, 12 cm. Now you know this is 12. Find the area. Come on, find the area. Chayo. Find the area. Find the area. Come on, find.
I
Come on. Anyone? Send your answers. Come on, offer. Neris, come on, Neris. You can win yourself free wrapper. Don't eat that. Don't, Neris. No.
Don't, you cannot pop your pimple.
Aduh, why pop pimple, you know? What is she talking about? Come. All right, let us see. Let us see, yeah. Kashri, how come you get like that? Very simple, You're not focused, that's why you cannot do this one. Formula for area of rectangle is length times breadth. So what is length? Length is 12. What is the breadth? Breadth is 7. So take 12 times 7, 12 times 7. You don't get 38. 2 times 7, 14. Carry 1. 1 times 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 84 lah. The area is 84 square meters. In this case, it's square meters. So how do we know it's square meters? Look at this. Square meter. Down here. Okay, get it, All right. Let us try. I hope you get it. Okay, this is not so tough. No, this is considered quite easy. Considered quite easy, Okay, you try this one now. Handkerchief. I do not know whether they call it sapu tangan. When I was young, they call it sapu tangan. It's a cloth. When they say you blow your ingos, you take it out. Some people use it for like a tissue paper lah. When I was young, I used to have it, and I'll blow and blow all my ingos inside, and then dry it and then use it again. Quite disgusting, The disgusting two things we did as children, and you all are still children. What happened to Neris? Miss Shafia, bisa Shafia? Ustazah Shafia bisa? Boleh? Saya do not know what's bisa. Bisa means boleh in Indonesian. Boleh in Indonesia, bahasa Indonesia means official. No? Official means minta izin. Boleh saya makan ini? You're asking for permission. But bisa means, yeah, I can do that, no problem. I can do this. Yeah, sure. That's bisa. But we are not learning bahasa Indonesia. Now we are learning about sapu tangan here, handkerchief. Come on. Kashril, come on. Don't give up. You look very sleepy already. You have very nice hair. Do you use gel? I say, do you use gel? That means the answer is no lah. Says, from this, you must know what the person is saying. Say, how dare you think I use gel on my head? I do not know. Your hair looks wet and nice all the time. So, yeah, so you must be the wet look, right? Okay, come on. Hey, guys, tired already. Then we will end early lah. I'm afraid when I end early, I feel very bad. Come on. The perimeter, I give you the perimeter. Come on, Putra. Come on, Shafia. Shafia, what are you looking at, Shafia? I'm looking at you. No, you're not looking at me. Look at the question. Come, try. How do I know your concentration very low? Normally, the answers will come in fast. Like the primary 6 class, very fast. Kakak class. Kakak Putri. Shafika's one also, yes. Kakak Shafika juga. Oh, now the answer is coming. Let us see. Apa ini? Husna Shafia? Why? Very small. Aduh, Husna Shafia, terbalik lah Husna Shafia. They didn't tell you that one side is 28, Husna Shafia. They say the whole perimeter is 28 cm. What is whole perimeter 28 cm? Means this plus this plus this plus this is 28. What is one side? What is one side? Yes, one length, two lengths, three lengths, four lengths. 4 lengths is 28 cm. What is one length? See, 4 lengths. I draw the length here. 1 length, 2 lengths, 3 lengths, 4 lengths. 4 lengths. These 4 lengths, they are equal to 28. That's what the perimeter is saying. What? Now this perimeter, I do it like a straight line. See? 28 cm. What is one length? 28 divided by 4. See, I do not know what it is. Find out now what times 4 equals 28. You must know your timetable. Answer is in the olden days they say this 7. Sometimes some of my you see the makcik-makcik say 7. 7 means 7 lah. Not set. They don't say 7, or some of them say 7. But anyway, so this is 7. Then what's the area? Find the area. Come on. Area, length and breadth. Come on, don't waste time. Come on, don't waste time. You already layu already lah. You're gonna fall asleep lah.
49.
49, yes. 7 times 7, 49. Okay lah, we tell you something lah. We show you. The other day I showed the others the documentary I did about the Bomo. I just show you. I'll show you, yes. But I didn't show you the whole thing. I'm just now going to forward. It's a little bit scary, yeah. And Duan, not frightened. You're not frightened. Frightened. Okay, here we go.
Ada warna different.
You Duan, you saw the, you heard the person
Pink
say.
color.
The person say use the word hantu, no?
What is different?
What pink color are you talking about? Okay, so now you can see down here. Okay, not YouTube. You can go to this site. Yeah, this is my website now. Down here. So down here, actually, why I cannot show it published in YouTube for everyone, because I don't have the rights. This belongs to RTM. You know RTM, Malaysian TV. This is shown a few times. The word manang is in a language, in the Dayak language, it means bomo. So when I did this, I felt very sad because my ustad tell me, don't do this documentary. You do not know, you know, this jinn may disturb you. And I still went on because I took the money already, you know. I took the money from the producer. The producer, who's the producer? You know, they have this Malay show called Duyung and all that. They are the group, the company that made that. So they gave me the money already. I used it already. So I said I have to continue with it. And I was the only Singaporean there. So down here. Okay, let me just show you what the person say. Yeah? This one, you hear what the person say.
Dia pakai itulah Kimayan tu baru datang sekejap aja.
Ada hantu yang bagus, hantu yang jahat.
Ada hantu yang bagus, ada hantu yang jahat. They are talking about the jinn, you know. These people, they communicate with the jinn. And what else they say?
Hantu dukun lain, hantu yang jahat tu lain.
They say the Bomo have the hantu, it's a good hantu. Whereas hantu, other people are bad hantu. We do not know. Actually, Allah said in the Quran, this jinn, they shouldn't be a part of the, when communicate with human beings, they should not. Okay?
Macam kita manusia juga. Manusia ada yang suri, ada yang tak suri.
They say like the human being, there's good human being and bad human being. So the jinn also, you have that. But the good jinn, they don't enter the human being life actually. But they think they enter the human being.
Hantu pun macam tu juga.
Pertama.
Okay, this is not a real one. Okay, there's some. This one. This man, he was dancing for 6 hours on whole night. And this is real. This is real. This one. This man, poor thing, you know. The jinn disturbed him until they say they want to enter his body. I asked him how many jinn he got inside his body. He said more than 30. I do not want to listen to all this music. You know what, the music is like not good lah. So let us see. Let me show you other parts on here. Down here. This one, his name is Roy, you know.
Dia masuk di badan saya.
Dia masuk ke dalam badan saya. The jinn will enter my body.
Terus saya sedar.
Saya sedar. I'm awake. I know he enter my body.
Dia macam berkata-kata lah. Baguslah kamu ikut saya dan untuk menyembuhkan orang yang sakit.
Says it's good for you to follow me, allow me so that you can cure the people. Don't believe in such things. You know why? Because who give the problem first? The jinn give the problem first. Now you get the jinn to cure them. The jinn is the one causing the problem. But anyway, I'm just showing you this so that you are more awake. Okay, but I do not know. Neris has gone. You say Lamchin. I do not know what language is that. Okay, here we go then. So have we done this? We have done this, right? Let us move. We have only 23 more minutes. But you know, knowledge, if you have knowledge, the righteous man, you know, there's a story of Nabi Sulaiman. Nabi Sulaiman, if you read the story in the Quran, there's a queen called Queen Sheba, and she has a throne. And Nabi Sulaiman says, who can bring me the throne? And one of the jinn by the name of Ifrit, huh? Oh, Balkis, yeah. Balkis, yeah. Yeah. Oh, then the
Who are you
country is
talking
Sheba.
to?
My wife has just corrected me. She says the queen name is my wife. The queen. What happened? Okay, the queen's name is actually Balkis, not Sheba. Sheba is the name of the country. She's correct. So there was a jinn who says, Ifrit says, I'll bring the throne of that queen before you stand up. Stand up is take 1-2 seconds with him. But there was a human being, a man. He says, I bring it before you twinkle your eyes. And then when Nabi Sulaiman saw, it was right before his very eye. A human being can do that. Human beings can be more powerful than jinns. But this is not the lesson for that. But I want you to know that. Don't be afraid of these jinns. Although sometimes it's only natural. Okay, come, let's try now. They want you now to find the perimeter of this figure. Can you find the perimeter? Be very careful here. Can you find the perimeter? It's like Bob the Builder. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Putra, do you play Bob the Builder last time? What? I'm not into such thing. Not cool. Okay lah, I'm just asking. Do you play with Bunny the dinosaur? Not? Say what? I'm not into Bunny. Okay. Say, do you play toys when young? What? I play with real cars. I'm an adult when I was young. Okay. Let us see now. Oh, very fast, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, if you really need to go, Miss Neris, yeah, please carry on then. Okay, please carry on. But think maybe it's too late. Okay, maybe this lesson is too late. Okay, we ask one by one. Putra, is the lesson too late for you? 8 to 9:30, is it too late?
No.
The way you answer is not convincing. I say, no. What about you, Shafia? No, okay. Shafia, is it too late, Shafia? Is the lesson too late? No, okay. All right, Yami. Okay, can you try to find the perimeter? They want you to find the perimeter. You need to find total this one, plus 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 this one. You got to find all of them. Can you do it? You can do this. Believe in yourself. The power is in you. Show me your wife. Hey! Oh, Ustazah, ada lelaki ini, dia kata, tunjuklah aku isterimu. Dia mau lihat kamu. Aku rasa cemburu sih. I'm feeling jealous, man. This young, tapi dia handsome. Budak handsome, dia pakai rambut dia tak payah pakai gel, nampak macam gel. Tak tahu secret dia apalah. Yeah. But of course, we have not seen. Kita belum lihat lagi si Shafia. Rambutnya cantik, di bawah kerudung lah, di bawah scarf. Kita tak tahu. It's a mystery. Safia, where are you, Safia? I talk about you, you start hiding. Don't hide lah. I'm not asking you to reveal what is under there. Sometimes I wonder, do all people wearing scarf have hair? Maybe some of them might be botak. What do you think, Putra? Is it possible? In fact, when I first became a teacher, there was one lady, she had cancer. Show me why your wife is Indo. Hey, apa your wife is Indo? You mean you can see whether my wife is Indonesian by the face? Then how? I show you I show you where's the passport is there lah. I'll show you the passport. Uh, you don't be Indo.
By the language.
By the language, okay. Bubuk cakap dengan nama dia Putra. Cakap. Cakap suruh dia apa yang kamu mahu ke apa. Marah dia sikit. Cakap kuat sikit lah. Nampak? Dengar tak? Tak dengar. Begini. She cannot hear you. You must talk louder. Orang Indonesia very soft spoken. Shafia say, I saw your wife before. Kuat sikit.
Hello, Putra.
Dengar tu. Dia kata macam kuntilanak. You see that pontianak? No. Joking. See, my wife feels sad. No.
I'll be in the dark side.
Aduh, who's that girl singing like that? You be in the dark side, you going to go to sleep or what? You going? Okay. No, I got sore. How come I got sore? Means I saw your wife before.
I'm in the dark.
Aduh, this girl, what is happening? You are in the dark. You're so happy to be in the dark. Okay, come, boys and girls. Okay, come. Look at this. This is 16. This one will be how much? These two together. Sometimes you don't need to find each and every one. You see this part down here? It's the same, you know. Can you see now? Putra, Neris, and can you see this part down here is from here to here. Down here to here, this is same as this. So if this is 4, well, you can find out what is this, what? If you want to find out. 16 minus 4, get 12. This here is 12. Can see now. Then I use another color. I use green color. Green color down here. This one is 13, right? They tell you it's 13. This one is 4. You see, this one is from here. Down here is 4. Down here, this one is 13. Hey, you can find the whole thing lah. You can find it. Come on. You can find it. This is 13 plus 4 lah. How much you get? 17. 17. So what's the perimeter? You can find 17 plus 16. Plus 16 plus 13 plus 12 plus 4 plus 4. And you add them up, what do you get? Sorry? 17 plus 30, 16 plus 13 plus 12 plus 4 plus 4. What do you get? You get 66, I believe. 66 cm. And that is the answer. Okay, we try. If you cannot tahan, we will end earlier lah. Okay. I see that in the end, you know who's doing the work? Me. I don't need the practice. You all need the practice. Right? Who's that? Okay, now you try. Okay, you want to find a perimeter again. Perimeter.
Okay, bye, Chai. I need to go.
Bye. See you. Take care of yourself. No. 49 cannot be 49. It's not 49. Okay, let us find all the different parts now. Actually, I'm calculating. Okay, I'm using actually a fast method. Actually, the fast method I know. Apa ni nyanyi-nyanyi? Putra, can you sing, Putra? You can sing well. The way why do you think I cannot sing? I'm the best singer here. Is it true? You're the best singer in the family? Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. I cannot sing. My voice I can't sing. Everyone is given a different skill. Let us see now. Our sister is able to get it. 63. So sorry. It's not. Okay, I'm going to show you a fast way. Okay, I show you the short way, long way and fast short way. So down here now, this is 6. This is 3. How much is this? Well, we know this part is down here, right? From here to here. We don't know yet. But from here to here, this is 5. Right? How do we know it's 5? Down here is 5, huh? So must be 5 lah. From here to here. And down here to here is 8. You want to find this one, very simple. 24 minus 8 minus 5 equals 11 cm. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. So down here is 11. Huh? Okay, so we add this one, 6, 5. Down here is also 6. Right? Must add the 6 also. Must add the 8. Must add the 3. And must add the 24. So many things to add. I only add 4 parts actually. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, what do I add? I want you to watch very carefully what I do, okay? This is called a shortcut, okay? Shortcut, but you got to make sure that it's done carefully lah. Okay, this part on here is the same as this one plus this one plus this one. Can you see now? Same length, no? I'm not going to plus 11, 5, 8. I'm just going to take, down here is 24. This plus this is also 24. So I take 24 plus 24. That is the 2 lengths. Can you see now? 2 lengths. This is 1 length, another like length, let's say. Then the next part, watch. Next part down here. This plus this is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. You see? Down here, 6 plus 3 is 9. So I just take plus 9 plus 9. What do I get? 48 plus 20, 68 minus 2, 66. If you are confused, I'll show you again. I'll show you again, okay? Watch, watch the screen. I'm going to show you how I do this so that you are able to see and imagine. Now here, I use a different. And there's another one here. Okay, watch, huh? I am going to bring this blue one here. I use another color, I use black. Now the blue one no more. You cannot see. Okay, I repeat, I'm going to bring, at first it's like that, right? You see what I do? This is the shortcut method. I'm going to bring the blue one, I bring it here. So I use black color here. Now this blue one disappear. So I need to know this side. This side also same thing. I bring it here. Can you see now? Okay, this one now, the red one, I bring it up here. Disappear. This one I bring it up here. It's a rectangle. So I need to find this one 24 right just now. This one also 24 lah. This one 9, this one 9. I add 24 plus 24, 9 plus 9, I get all the answer. I don't need to plus one by one. 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 5 plus whatever, plus 9, 6 plus, so many things. I push it, I'm just looking, oh, this one 9, this one 9. You know what I mean? This is a faster way of doing it. 24 plus 24, 9 plus 9. But you gotta check that you can push it here, push it. You must be able to push it in your mind. You look at it carefully, can you see now? This plus this plus this is 24. This plus this is 9. This plus this is 9. So this one you can make into a rectangle. Okay, we move on to the next one. Now here. This one also you can do the same. No, this one cannot. This one cannot. Because you got double on here. This one you have one already full. Just double counting. This one you cannot use the rectangle method. But you try. But I will give you an answer. I use a shortcut method also still. 6. How come they like 66? Okay, I got answer. Beli apa? $32. So sorry. Try again. Please try again, Miss Shafia. You can do this. You look, this is 12. This one is also 12. I use this method. So 12 plus 12. Then this one is 9. No, 11. This one is also 11. Can you see now? So I almost got the whole thing. Only 2 more parts I need to plus. So I take 12 plus 12, 24. Plus 11 plus 11. Then I need to plus 2 more, not plus. Which are the 2 more? This one on here, I have not plus this one. And this one on here. Just plus these 2 and you get your answer. So 12 plus 12. 24. Plus 11. Plus 11. See, where is 11? There, 8 plus 3 is 11. What? This one is also 11. Then plus 3 plus 3. Okay. 12 plus 12, 24. 11 plus 11, 22. 24 plus 22 plus 3 plus 3 is 6. Is equals to 52. If not, you can add one by one. 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus 11 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. Is it? Plus 3. You all look very tired. Okay, it's really 9:28. Do we want to stop now? Or continue? No. No, okay. Sure. Don't stop now. Oh, good, Ready? Shafia, ready, getting ready to log out. Shafia, come back. Okay, so we do a very last one. This one. They want you now to find the perimeter. I show you the method already. You know how to do this. That method behind this one. Come on. This one. You know. This two is the same as what? Come on. Same as this. Come on. You can do this, mister. The force is with you. We have 1 minute left. Will you be able to do it?
Teacher, wait, I can answer.
Congratulations, Miss Shafia. And Shafia just sent in the answer. Let us see who is the ultimate winner. Shafia or... Oh, ini bukan Shafia sih. Ini orang lain. Oh, Shafia go down here. Down here. Someone sent an answer here. Oh, Putra. Shafia say 82. Let us see. Is she correct? What about Putra? Okay, we do step by step. Very simple. 13 plus 7, 20. So this is 20 lah. 20 plus 20. Where I get this 20? 7 plus 13 is 20. Down here is 21. Down here is also 21. These two, you don't need to know. You say, I don't know how much is it. Never mind. This plus this is 21. So you add plus 21 plus 21. And congratulations, Miss Shafia. Your answer is correct. 82 meters. Well done. Tahniah pada Puan Shafia yang telah menang. Dia dapat apa? Free class. Ustazah nanti free class dari Ustazah ya. Okay. Thank you very much. See you again another time. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.